Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Halloween hat pen holder using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. To begin, take the black color, roll it and mold it into a cone shape. This will be the upper hat part. Since I'm making a pen holder, I use my marker pen to make a hole into the hat. Take another piece of black clay and roll it into a ball shape. I put the ball on my working surface, press it down and made a pancake shape. When you have both parts of a hat done, you can merge them together. Next, take a purple clay, roll it and then flatten it out. You can trim the sides to make them even. Take the purple clay, place it around the hat and secure it on. Now we are moving on to the pumpkin ornament. I took some orange clay, molded into a flat pumpkin shape and made indents with my needle tool. For the stem, I shaped brown color and made details with my needle tool again. You can place the finished pumpkin on the front of the hat and secure it on. I wanted my pumpkin to have a kawaii face, so I made eyes and mouth out of a black clay and glinting the eyes out of a white clay, also the cheeks out of a pink clay. You can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished Halloween hat pen holder looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!